Mensch. Over to Forsmark, up top to Herta. Herta, over to Mensch, one-timer, scores! What a goal by Heath Mensch!
And a tip in front.
Mensch gets it out. Mensch up ice into express territory. Gets a shot and he scores! Heath Mensch! Heath Mensch. Mensch. Looking out front. Shot and score! Heath.
Who gets there to the corner, no icing. Heath Mensch now stepping into the circle. Back down low, they'll score.
Trying to follow through, but couldn't cut around Lacus. Here comes Mensch now straight away. Holding and shooting and scoring. Heath Mensch.
Coming. Mensch takes it to the circle. He cuts in, makes a move to the backhand all the way over, and they score!
Looking towards the front, one-timer, go over the save, rebound, ends up in the back of the net.
By Haskins. Right after Haskins scored the goal.
Mensch carrying it in. Stepping into the circle, Mensch makes the move. Stopped by Felak, but on the rebound, they'll score!